Hi, so we're talking about infinitive phrases in this video. And as a quick review, a phrase is a group of words that does not have both a subject and a predicate. So it's not a complete thought, it's something that we include in a sentence to add some extra context or detail. Specifically, infinitive phrases begin with to and an unconjugated verb. They show purpose or intent. So with the examples I gave you at the bottom of this slide, you could see how they could all be added onto the beginning or the end of a sentence about someone doing something, and they would give some context about why they're doing something, right? To win, to prepare, to learn, to inspire. Here are some complete sentences with infinitive phrases. And again, they're answering the question of why or adding detail about the purpose or intent behind an action. Like other phrases, they can go in multiple places in a sentence. So the first example has the infinitive phrase at the end, the second one at the beginning. So first example is, she practiced for hours to perfect her speaking style. And the second one is, to stay organized, the student wrote everything in his agenda. I think infinitive phrases can be really powerful in parallel structure. And parallel structure just means that you are repeating a similar pattern multiple times. So I wanted to emphasize the importance of some of the UN Sustainable Development Goals. And so I've used parallel structure with infinitive phrases to do that in a couple examples. So this first one is, to reduce poverty, to eradicate hunger, to eliminate inequality, to achieve world peace, we must stop letting borders divide us and instead view ourselves as global citizens. So that parallel structure with those infinitive phrases have given emphasis to the sentence in a few different ways. So first of all, in terms of pacing, it's created suspense, right? You can kind of feel that build with each term: to reduce poverty, to eradicate hunger, to eliminate inequality. And here I've left my last one as kind of like the most powerful thing that people say they want, right? To achieve world peace. I've like built up to this. We can do these amazing things, right? And then I, as a reader, would be waiting to see, oh my gosh, what do we have to do, right? And then I have the rest of the sentence that makes that statement about what we need to do. And then the second way that is adding emphasis to my sentence is just that there are a lot of different things that I'm saying can be achieved, right? So if you think about an infinitive phrase as a reason why, I've given you 4 different reasons why. Second example, because I just wanted to show you the infinitive phrases at the end of the sentence. So here I have, there are many reasons for countries to adopt shared environmental regulations, colon. So colons are also pretty good at generating suspense, right? So I've stated there are many reasons, and you as a reader should be asking, what are the reasons? And then I use this list of infinitive phrases to, again, highlight how many different reasons there are to adopt shared environmental regulations. To ensure access to clean water, to make energy clean and affordable, to create sustainable cities and communities, to combat climate change, and to protect life both in water and on land, right? So I'm kind of setting up suspense with the colon, and then I have a lot of reasons, and I'm just naming a lot of reasons to show how many different purposes we could have for doing what I'm asking people to do. So just an awesome way to emphasize. All right, thanks for listening.